Hi, I'm Josh, and this is snakeware, a new Linux distro with a fully Python user space. It's still early in development, but I just wanted to make a quick video to show off the idea and the kind of things that I've been working on. So what do I mean by fully Python user space? Well, it basically boots directly into the Python interpreter. This is the first thing you see after boot, and from there you can do whatever you want. It's inspired by the spirit of the Commodore 64, which is that you should basically just be able to do whatever you want with your own computer. So today we will run snakewm, which is the standard window manager for snakeware. So to run snakewm, you create an instance of snakewm and you call run on it. And I apologize for the low resolution that QEMU is assigning me, but so what is this? Well, it's basically a window manager written in Python. It does not use X11, and we don't use systemd or any of that other stuff. This is just Python and pygame drawing directly to the frame buffer because it's fun. So if you press the Win key, you can see the app menu. The apps are sparse, but we're going to continue to develop them. Do you want to play Pong? Because we can do that. You click on the title bar of a window to give it focus. It runs a little bit choppy in QEMU, but it runs great on real hardware, I promise, if you get a chance to try it out. And like I said, this is all Python. So do you want to change the background color? Because we can do that as well. We'll give it a nice dark blue. Yeah. We also have a little hello world message box and a kind of a work in progress terminal that still has a lot of work that needs to be done on it, but it's basically good for one-liners. So it works. And like I said, this is all Python. There's no X11 or the goal is that beginners will be able to contribute really easily to this. You actually, if you look at the GitHub repository, you don't even have to build an image and boot it in order to contribute to the window manager or write apps. You can just run the Python script and it'll draw directly to your frame buffer no matter what distro you're on. So I'd love to have more contributors. If you have any experience with pygame, you can contribute. In the meantime, I will keep chugging along on it myself. Yeah, and if you want to drop out of snakewm and get back to just the normal interpreter, all you have to do is Alt Escape, and you're back. So that's it for this video. I just wanted to kind of show off the initial idea. There'll be more to come as I make more progress. Thanks for watching.